Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Find your niche and audience. The first thing you need to do is identify what you're passionate about, and who actually wants to see that content. Don't just copy what's trending if it doesn't align with your strengths. Step 2. Master the first 3 seconds. Your hook is everything. You've got about 3 seconds to stop someone from scrolling, so make it punchy, surprising, or entertaining right away. Step 3. Use trending sounds and hashtags strategically. Jump on audio trends and sounds that fit your niche, and pair them with relevant hashtags that aren't oversaturated. This helps the algorithm understand your content. Step 4. Post consistently and find your optimal time. You need to build momentum by uploading regularly, ideally 3 to 5 times a week. Test different posting times to see when your audience is most active. Step 5. Engage with your community genuinely. Reply to comments, create duets and stitches with other creators, and spend time actually watching content in your niche. This signals to the algorithm that you're an active member of the platform. The combination of these 5 strategies will dramatically increase your chances of going viral in 2026.